Now let's talk about the installation of LED downlights. LED downlights are a sleek, elegant lighting solution for your home. Very easy to install, and here's how you do it. Firstly, we put down a drop sheet to catch any dust or ceiling space particles. We safely isolate the power at the switchboard. We remove the existing halogen light from the ceiling. Check that the existing cable is compliant with Australian standards. Then we install the plug-based socket for the new LED downlight. We adjust any hole sizing differences, connect and install the new LED downlight. Then we re-energise the electricity and test the new light. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to know more, please check out our website or get in contact with us. See you next time.